Hello, my sparkling friend, and welcome to Module 6, Keeping My Joy Alive, My Energy and Boundaries Maintenance Planner. You've made it to the final module of Pillar 1. Wow, I'm so proud of you for being here. This module is all about making sure the lightness you created doesn't slip away. We turn everything you've learned into simple, authentic systems you can actually maintain. You'll design your personal energy reset protocol. You'll create weekly check-in practices, learn how to handle disruptions with grace, and build a beautiful maintenance system that supports you long-term. I share how I use these tools even now. The small rituals that keep me grounded when client demands get intense. You'll leave with your own personalized joy dashboard so you can stay vibrant and resilient. This is where the real transformation becomes sustainable. This is where you stop returning to old patterns and start living as the lighter, more protected version of yourself. So, congratulations on completing Pillar 1. If you've been following along, you've done something truly loving for yourself. Pillar 1 is open right now with all 6 modules and all 6 workbooks. If you're ready to protect your energy and step into joyful flow, comment Pillar 1 below. Pillar 1 below. And thank you for letting me walk this journey with you. Keep sparkling.